All right, so the first thing we're going to discuss here in Gspro is going to be our practice settings. So in order to access that practice facility, just click on practice. You'll see the practice range or on-course practice. I'll teach you a little bit about on-course practice after we look at the range. Click on practice range. You're going to notice it takes a little time to initialize the range, and then it's going to load for you. Once that is loaded, you'll see a bunch of different features here. You can extend the length of the range on the top slider here by clicking and dragging. You'll notice you have all of your different data tiles, which if you click on each of them, you can select up to 12 that you would like to use on both the left and the right side. You can also see all of your shots when you click on this score icon, the scoreboard icon up there. And you can even export that as a CSV file if you'd like to. As well as doing a actual dynamic hole. You can change this driving range's width. You can change the green width, and you can see that green if I drag it in here. It's 14 feet, but you make it bigger and bigger if you want it to be 27. I believe that's probably feet. Additionally, you can click your orientation on this as well. And if you want to reset your orientation, just press A on the keyboard. If you'd ever like to look at the shortcuts for the keyboard, there's this box up in the right-hand corner here. Just click that box, and that will give you a shortcut for what the different options are. For example, if you want to reset your aim like I just did there, A. If you want to see a heat map of the green, you can press Y. But to access this, both in practice and on course, just click that shortcuts button, and then you can minimize it as well. One other feature that I'd like to discuss is the dynamic holes. This is really cool for setting up closest to the pin competitions. So once you select that multiplayer icon, you can change the number of players up to 8, and you can have a certain number of shots per round and a certain number of rounds. Let's say you do 3 shots per round, and the best ball would be the scoring measurement in 3 rounds. You click apply, and then basically each player hits their shots, all 3 of them, or how many ever you select, and goes down. And this is just a cool way to create a closest to the pin competition and keep it on the practice range. And you can also just, after each time you do this, you can reconfigure a hole. You can make it a par 3, a par 4, just a chipping contest. So this is a really nice feature.